यार अभिषेक बच्चन का ना बैड लगे खराब है लगता है। Hi guys, just finished watching Breathe on Amazon Prime and here's a quick review. Credited strangely as season 1 when it is clearly a follow-up to the 2018 Madhavan starrer Breathe. This Abhishek Bachchan starrer Breathe Into the Shadows is like that fusky bomb which has lofty ambitions but after a brief spark of promise in the beginning just fails to take off. 6-year-old Sia, daughter of Avinash Sabharwal and Abha, is kidnapped and one day after many months of wait comes the ransom call. But the demand is not money, it's a call to kill someone. How far a parent will go to save their daughter? Will Kabir Sawant, the inspector in charge of the investigation, get them? Predictable and sometimes silly answers to these questions form the rest of the 12-episode long series. यार अभिषेक बच्चन का ना बैड लक ही खराब है कभी-कभी लगता है. The successful films he's part of, like the Dhoom series, it's usually overshadowed by somebody else, and the ones in which he's the center are usually bad films or just don't get as successful. Breathe falls in the second category. Breathe suffers primarily from its weak screenplay and the amateur handling of the subject. This premise, although not new but in the hands of a capable writer, lends itself towards many possibilities. Like for example, a point of view. You can either show a cop's point of view or the serial killer's point of view. Or you could show both and tell us how it's intertwined. You can add layers of a social commentary, political commentary. You can expand the world, show characters from different phases of lives coming together, their interactions. They could have done so many things. Avinash in this is a psychiatrist who helps solve cases for police. They could have shown how he uses these skills to manipulate people around him, the police, his wife, the kidnapper. Or the least they could have done is tied up some of this season with the loose ends of the first season and made it sort of an anthology series like American Crime Story or True Detective. Instead, what you get here is forced mythology and pseudo mumbo jumbo of psychology and all that.
The more I study this, the more I'm convinced कि ये बस random choosings हैं. Textbook serial murders.
The entire comedy track about the assistant cops, the Delhi versus Mumbai, just loses originality in the first 2 episodes and then becomes very annoying. The whole Ravan के 10 sir and 10 emotional angle जबरदस्ती का लगता है. A force-fitted gimmick. There are some good bits, I agree, like the mid-season twist, which I didn't see coming. Also some good performance, especially Nitya Menon and Amit Saad. But trust me, none of these good bits can save the sinking ship. Post the mid-season reveal, the plot becomes predictable and the dialogues become repetitive. कितनी बार बोलोगे यार, mind games, greed, lust, फलाना, ढिमकाना. हाँ भाई आगे बढ़ो. CID की तरह एक ही बात एक्टिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस में बार-बार बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक के साथ बोलने से कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा. Writer and director Mayank Sharma, who also directed season 1 with Madhavan in the lead role, seemed to be in awe of Junior Bachchan and dedicates hours and hours of screen time capturing him, almost losing sight of the story and other characters. It seems like it's a debut vehicle for Abhishek Bachchan on TV. The first season of Breathe with itself was not that great, at least had some redeeming qualities like a minimum of a character arc for both the protagonists. Here, that's missing too. All in all, it's a frustrating and disappointing watch. So on the binge meter, this one is really low, not binge-worthy. If you like the content that I put out, then please share and like this video. It helps. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to get the latest reviews and recommendations. I put out a new video every week. The next 2 months is going to be power packed with almost every OTT platform announcing a new movie or a TV series. Disney Hotstar announcing 7 of them last week. You can be rest assured to get reviews of all of those right here in this channel. And finally, if there is any feedback or criticism that you want to let me know, then please do so freely. It helps too. And as usual, thank you for all the love. Bye bye.